Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel, Decor and DIY with Anita. Of course, I'm your girl Anita, and in today's video I'll be doing something a little bit different, guys. As you can see, I will be showing you this beautiful newly renovated model home, my friends. And if you're interested, all you have to do is reach out to me. I will definitely link my email in the description box below, and I will get back to you in a timely fashion, guys. But let's get into this store, guys. This is a single family residence built in 1956 and it's newly renovated, my friends. This is a 4,000 square foot lot with updated finishes right throughout the home. It has 2 driveways, modern exteriors, and a fully fenced yard. Great for outdoor gatherings and your privacy. This home has 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and the bedrooms are generously sized, my friends. This home also has a fully finished basement that can be used for extra living space or perhaps a mother-in-law suite. The first floor has this beautiful kitchen, as you can see, with quartz countertop, plenty of storage. It has a dining space area. It also has a beautiful living room as you entered, with a beautiful staircase leading to the second floor, which has 2 bedrooms and storage space. This house is absolutely beautiful with so much potential for expansion. And while this home is move-in ready, my friends, it is conveniently located near transportation, shopping malls, and restaurants. My friends, as I walked through this home, it felt so clean and inviting. And like I said, guys, it's move-in ready, it's newly renovated, all the features are updated and modern. The yard is fully fenced, and with the summer coming up, you have a nice sized backyard for barbecuing and just gathering with family and friends. I wish I had shown you the backyard. Beautiful. But like I mentioned earlier, my friends, if you are interested in this home, I will definitely be linking my email in the description box below, so you can reach out to me and I will get you in contact with the seller. Well, my beautiful friends, I do hope you enjoy this beautiful model home tour, guys. And if you're interested in purchasing this house, please reach out to me by emailing me. The email is going to be in the description box below. Until next time, my friends, be blessed and be creative, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.